Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a pesto. First, gather your fresh ingredients for the best flavor. You'll need basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and good quality olive oil. Using a food processor makes this recipe incredibly quick and simple, transforming fresh ingredients into a delicious sauce in just minutes. This easy method ensures you get a vibrant, flavorful pesto every single time, perfect for any meal. Let's get those ingredients ready. You will need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, lightly packed. For the nuts, measure out 1/3 cup of pine nuts. You can lightly toast them for extra depth. Also, prepare 2 large garlic cloves, roughly chopped. Finally, have 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and 2/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil ready to go. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. Pesto is fantastic for meal prepping, and these leak-proof containers are perfect for storing your homemade sauce. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. You can find the link for these amazing containers and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part, blending. Start by adding the pine nuts and garlic to your food processor and pulse until they are coarsely chopped. Next, add the fresh basil leaves, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Pulse until the mixture resembles a paste. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil until your pesto is thoroughly blended and smooth. Finally, add the Parmesan cheese and pulse briefly to combine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.